Okay, see another question. A little bit tricky question, but not lengthy, but tricky question. Unless you have some, what we can say, idea, you are unable to do this question. From any point P on the line x is equal to 2y, this line they have given, perpendicular is drawn on y is equal to x. This is also second line. That foot of perpendicular is q. Find the locus of midpoint of PQ. Okay? Okay. See, here you have to see. Let me draw this figure first. Observe carefully how I am drawing this figure. See, one line is y is equal to x. That means simply this is 45 degrees it goes. Okay, this is y is equal to x. That's all. Another line is x is equal to 2y. That means fx u. That means x if is 2, then y will be 1. Why? Why? Because y is equal to x by 2. 2 by 2 is 1. That means x goes much, but y goes less. Okay, this is called x is equal to 2y. See, one perpendicular is there on y is equal to x. See, this is perpendicular on y is equal to x. Okay, but it touches on x is equal to 2y. Okay, this concept you should know. Okay. Now what they are asking? They are asking this midpoint of this. This is the midpoint. This point. They given any p and point P on the line x is equal to 2y. This is P. Okay. Then I will take this as Q. This as R. Okay. If I write like this means automatically PR is equal to QR. See, PR is equal to QR. QR is equal to PR. Why? Because the R is the midpoint. They have given clearly. Midpoint of PQ. PQ. This Q also they have given. Perpendicular Q. Okay? Okay. Now see, how you are going to find this answer? Why? Because what they are asking, locus of R. Locus of R means R equation they are asking. R equation they are asking, see already x, y are there, without x, y you have to take. See, finally they are asking R, that is why I will take this as h comma k. Okay? And P I will take and I will change, see how I am changing also, you observe carefully. Okay? First I will take this P as alpha comma beta, Q as A comma B. Is it okay? First, observe. Okay. Now you go back. See, this is black color line. Black color line y is equal to x means shall I take A comma A? If you give x1 y also 1. If you give x2 y also 2. That means in x place also A, y place also A will come. That is why you have to take. See, this concept you should know. Or else you are not going to get this answer. You are unable to do this question. Okay? Same like come back to P, this point P also. X is equal to 2y. X is equal to 2y means here what I want to take, rather than beta, I will take this as alpha and this as 2 alpha. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Why? Because x is 2 times of y. Same. X if you give, y if you give 1, x will be 2. x2 means y1, x4 means y2. Okay? Now hk is hk only. That is the answer. Okay, now that is the concept. Now see how we are going to find. Two things I am going to tell to you. This is foot of perpendicular. Foot of perpendicular means what we are going to do? This slope anywhere you can find. Perpendicular means perpendicular slope also you are going to find. Based on the perpendicular, you make one equation. That is 1. Second equation, midpoint of these two is R. That also one equation you make. Okay? These two equations if you solve, automatically HK will come. HK in terms of XY you convert, that is your equation, locus. Okay? That thing you have to do. Now step by step you do it. Why? Because this is not that much easy question. Here little bit critically you have to think, or else you are not going to get this answer. First of all, slope thing we are going to solve this. Slope. See, slope of, I will take this as L1, this as L2. Okay? Now I am writing slope of L1, comma I am keeping slope of L1 is equal to 1. Why? Because y is equal to mx plus c, m is 1 here, c is not there. Okay? Then what about slope of L2? Not L2, slope of PQ. Slope of PQ is equal to PQ like minus 1. Actually 1 by minus 1 by 1 you have to write, minus 1 by 1 is 1 only. That means the slope you are having here, this is slope. If you have slope, then you convert. Why? Because the slope also you can write in terms of what we can say. See, locus is asking, na, see alpha minus k by, write down. Alpha minus k by 2 alpha minus h is equal to minus 1. Okay. What is the slope? 2 points. I will take 2 points, these 2 points. Okay, anyway, this I want to take. Why? Because in locus finally you have to find it based on R only. Y1 minus Y2 by X1 minus X2. Alpha minus K by 2 alpha minus H. Okay, now write down. See, alpha minus K is equal to H minus 2 alpha. Shall I write like this? Why? Because minus 1 if you multiply, this is going to become plus, this is going to become negative. Okay? Now you see, you send that one side, 3 alpha it is going to become. 3 alpha is equal to minus 2 alpha plus alpha. 3 alpha is equal to H plus K. Okay, H plus K. But what about alpha? Alpha is equal to H plus K by 3. See, this you take as one equation. First. Okay, you have taken this as one equation. Now again I am going to find this HK. Slope, yes. Also, slope of PQ. Slope of PQ. See how I am finding now again. K minus A by H minus A. Okay? K minus A by H minus A is equal to minus 1. No, here alpha will not come, huh? Let me do it. Let me see. Okay, or else I will take that one. We have got those options. Okay? See, K minus A is equal to A minus H. A minus H. Okay? And H plus K. H plus K is equal to 2A. H plus K is equal to 2A. Okay, but alpha is equal to 2A by 3 will come. Alpha is equal to 2A by 3 or 3 alpha is equal to H plus K. Same is going to come. That is why I don't want to take this one. Okay, now see, same is going to come. Same if coming means I don't want this. See, now slope how I am doing. Earlier these two have taken. Now I am going to take these two. Let me take that. Also slope of PQ is equal to, see, alpha minus A by 2 alpha minus A is equal to minus 1. Okay? Alpha minus K by 2 alpha minus A is equal to minus 1. Okay, that slope we know. Now write down alpha minus a is equal to a minus 2 alpha. Okay, minus 1 if you multiply. Then if you send here 3 alpha is equal to 2a. This is very good. Okay, 3 alpha is equal to my a plus a 2a. Okay, now alpha is equal to 2a by 3. Alpha is equal to 2a by 3. Okay, now you equate both. If you equate both, h plus k by 3 is equal to 2a by 3. Okay, that means h plus k is equal to 2a. H plus k is equal to 2a. Okay, this equation we have done. Let it be. One more thing what we wanted to do, midpoint. Midpoint also you have to take. See, midpoint also you take. How we are going to take midpoint? Simple. Alpha plus a by 2 is equal to k. Right now. Midpoint means you see 2 alpha plus a by 2 is equal to h. Alpha plus a by 2 is equal to k. Okay, or else 2 alpha plus a is equal to 2h. Alpha plus a is equal to 2k. Okay, see this 2 alpha plus a shall I write alpha plus a. Alpha plus alpha 2 alpha plus a is equal to 2h. That is equal to 2h. Or else alpha plus a I want to replace 2k. Alpha plus 2k is equal to 2h. Understand? Why? Because see, in place of alpha plus a, I have written 2k. Alpha plus 2k is equal to 2h. And now what I want to do, alpha is equal to 2h minus k. Okay? Alpha is equal to 2h minus 2k. 2h minus 2k. Okay, now see, alpha is equal to 2a by 3 you are having here. 2a by 3. Then you solve these two. Solve those two. Okay? What I want to say, 2a by 3 is equal to 2 into h minus k. Okay? Then 2a is equal to 6 into h minus k. Okay? See, 2a is already h plus k. Write down. H plus k is equal to 6h minus 6k. Okay? Now we send all at one side. 6h minus h, 5h. But k minus k, minus 7k. Minus 7k is equal to 0. Implies, see, this is based on h and k, midpoint. Now locus we want to write. That means you replace h with x and k with y. That means see, 5x minus 7y equal to 0. This is the locus. Understand how we have done and all? Okay, a little bit tricky, but you have to follow this procedure. Let us go for the next question.